see you there. Zquax here. I'm just cutting down some trees, trying to create a path. So we have some adventures today. Come join me. We have a Alaskan fairbird eating away his grass over here. Fairbird is a very small bird with a yellow bill. Black in color, could differentiate a little bit, but these birds are very magical. They're very special creatures. Can you zoom in on that a little bit, please, for me? Man, look how it walks with such grace. Oh, I love nature.
Yeah.
Wow, so much nature today. As you see, there's two friends here. They are French squirrels. Some people call them squirrels, but that's not how you pronounce it. Squirrels. They're French, so you know, gotta watch what you say. You get a little offended up there. But they love acorns. They love they live in trees high above the ground for safety. So fast they are? Oh, sweet. These happy acorns can be used as fuel in nature. You know, it's nothing else to eat. It's a good source of carbon fiber. Tastes like poo, but it gets you through. Oh, an Argentine fire ant. All the way in Kansas. Look how big those guys are. This ain't your typical ants. One bite from these little guys, they'll tear you up. It's called fire ants for a reason. When they bite, it burns. Look at that. Make this tree's home. Man, nature's so connected. It's awesome. Let's go find some more nature. I love it. I love it. Wow, what a nice robin. Hey, fun fact about the robin. It's actually named after Robin Williams, the late great actor in Miss Doubtfire, Clubber. He named these birds hundreds of thousands of years ago. You're asking, how is that possible? I don't know. It just is. Zquax said it, so it's real. Had him. Choked me out. Quick little suckers. When you chase squirrels, my bad. It's always best to yell what they are, squirrels, so they know you're chasing them. This was a little fast one. At least faster than that. Not my prime anymore, but hey, game good enough for his money. I think so. Guys, thanks for coming out with me today. I really appreciate it. Sorry to catching squirrels for you guys. I tried. They're quick, they're fast, more importantly, they're smart. And I think you could take a really big lesson from this. Nature will always outsmart you, no matter how hard you want to destroy it, build around it, it'll always be there. Respect nature, respect each other, let's live together. Zquax Nature Man, signing off. Thank you, Discovery.